Are you interested in losing weight or toning up your body? But are you activating different muscle groups each time to help you maximize your calorie and your fat burn? Hello everybody, welcome to the channel. My name is Nancy Ace. I am a personal trainer, fitness instructor, Spartan, and health coach. And my job here is to combine my expertise as such and help you get to your fitness goal in the least amount of time in a safe, effective, and efficient way. And in today's video, we're going to be activating or reactivating core, side butt, and chest muscles simultaneously. I love to combine different groups so that way we are really burning more calories. That's what we do when we trigger the muscle, when we use it, and we also burn calories when we are activating different systems that help us burn those calories in a different way. So go ahead and grab those dumbbells. If you don't have dumbbells, water bottles, cans, sandbags, whatever you have available that has some weight, or if you prefer just to focus on your technique and alignment and doing things properly, your form and all of those good things, you can do that as well. And like I always like to say, leave all your worries to the side, bring the best energy to the table, and let's do this. Let's take a few minutes to warm up our bodies. If you already did some type of cardio, I still would love for you to at least warm up your glutes, your lower back, your chest, and your shoulder muscles, which are the muscles that we're targeting today. We are going to take just about 3 minutes. If you need more time to stretch, you can always pause the video and rewind the video to make sure that you take the proper time to stretch the muscles that we're going to be targeting today. Your glutes, your lower back, always warm up your lower back regardless of the workout that you're getting in. We're also going to be targeting the chest and the shoulders. So we want to make sure that we warm up those areas as well. Take your time. Be gentle when you are stretching. I like to place my hand on my chest just to make sure that, that I'm feeling the muscle stretching. So what we're gonna do, we're just gonna stay right here, and the movement is going to look like this. You're basically going to feel this part doing most of the movement. So it's not here, ladies and gentlemen, so it's more right here. So we really want to get to this part right here. Yes, the back leg doesn't have to bend that much. If you have pain problems, I recommend that you leave the knee alone and you focus on this part of your body, moving forward, just like this. Boom. Yes, all right, let's start with 10, and then we continue adding more. Ready, get set, and go. Now we're going to get into the legs or booty muscle a little bit deeper. So I want you to grab both, preferably. And what we're going to do, back to the same position. Remember, it's all about really targeting the muscle so then we can see that muscle tonification, the definition. All right, so what we're gonna do, gonna bring it down and back, just like that. We're going to bring down, squeeze the booty back there, stick out the chest muscles when we go up. Again, down, up, just like that. Get ready. Get set and go. Love to gauge the core. It's really one of my favorite parts of the body to get into. So what we're gonna do, back to the same position, and we are going to roll the shoulders back. Remember, it's all about your chest muscles today. So we're gonna try to engage those chest muscles, shoulders back, and we twist again. So we're gonna bring it down, just like that. Okay, 8 to 12, get set, and let's go. Go. We only have one more and we are done. We're gonna do the flexibility at the end, so please stick around. It's very important that we release the tension and that we move on, transition the right way. All right, so what we're gonna do now is one of my favorite things to do. It's a little bit of cardio, but we engage the core more. And why do I like to do that? Because I believe with all of my heart that if you have a healthy core, everything's just gonna land in place. So get into the core and you'll be good to go. By the way, if you have subscribed to the channel, liked it, shared it, I want to say thank you so much for doing that. I appreciate it so much. That really, really helps with the algorithm. Sorry about the noise up there. They're doing some construction today. But anyway, thank you. And if you haven't, please go ahead and do that. Like it, share it. ring the bell, so that way every time I upload new videos, you're gonna be the first one to get those and continue moving forward with your tonification or your weight loss or just for fun. I don't know what you're into, but kudos to you. All right, so what we're gonna do, we're going to do boom, bam. All right, so when we go boom, knee to elbow, elbow to knee, boom, nice and fast. And of course, I expect you to be warm. You're already warmed up, so there's no worries that you're gonna pull a muscle, but you still gotta be careful, right? We make sure that when you throw the arm back, that there's some type of control, right? Just like that. Get ready, get set. We're gonna go now for 10. This time we're gonna do 20. No weight, we're gonna add more numbers to it. Set and go. Thank you all for sticking until the end. Way to go, you completed your video, your class, and I am so happy for you. Even though it's just one workout, one day, trust me, it makes all the difference when it comes to reaching a goal. So let's go ahead and start with our stretching. So I recommend you grab a mat. That if you don't have a mat, you can use a towel or whatever you have available. It doesn't have to be a mat. I like to do it on the floor. I feel like the closer I am to the earth, the more grounded I get. It's just me. But why not a mat for today? So what we're gonna do, we're gonna get onto our fours. We're gonna squeeze the pelvis forward. Squeeze, squeeze, squeeze. And then we're gonna release completely. And we're gonna look up. So we're gonna do that one more time. Squeeze, squeeze, squeeze. And release. Nice. Now we're gonna release tension from the neck. There you go. We're gonna bring the hips down. Those buttocks all the way down, touching your heel. And we're gonna stretch those arms going forward. Remember the breathing in through the nose and out through the nose. You don't have to breathe that deeply, but it's recommended that you keep the breathing in through the nose and out through your nose, not through your mouth, so that way you keep it nice and steady. All right, now we're going to spread our legs just like that. And we're gonna try to bring those elbows to the mat. And you spread those legs as wide as you can. Again, it's all about respecting those limitations, those boundaries that we have. And we also want to challenge ourselves a little bit more, right? If you feel like, I can go a little bit more this time, I can stretch it a little bit more, I'm feeling okay, I feel capable, then go for it. All right, just hold it there. 3, 2, 1. All right, now we're gonna try to extend one arm at a time. Just like that. This really helps release tension from the hips. We put a ton of tension on our hips today, trying to get to those glute, side butt. But we are giving our body what it needs at this moment, and it's really that stretch, that tension release that it needs. Other arm. So feel proud and good, glad about what you're doing right now, because you're giving your body exactly what it needs. Awesome. All right. Good job, everybody. Thank you so much again for being a part of this group. And I wanted to encourage you to go ahead and grab your free booklet about the 4 pillars of a successful fitness health goal. And I talk a little bit about this. I read a little bit about your flexibility training and the other things that are needed to have a healthy body. It's not just about the workouts or lifting weights or running or doing this or that. We are a very intricate made. We are very special, and we need to take care of our special selves in special ways, right? It's not just one thing. It's just a few other things that we need to do in order to take care of our special selves. Remember, you're very special. You are an ultimate overcomer every single day. We are overcoming sometimes things that just come into our heads, sometimes situations that we don't plan, that it just boom come, and we have to deal with those things. And sometimes it's just habits, really bad old habits, and things like that come to us, and that's when we have to remember that we can ultimately overcome, and we believe that we are. And I believe you are. I believe it from my heart. You are. You're capable and well able. It was a pleasure being here with you today. Thank you for the energy, for the love. Thank you for subscribing, liking, sharing, and for continuing your journey here with me. I love you all. Take care.